This steering wheel right here, to me, is one of the weakest part of this car. The rest of it looks so good, and then they slap a cobalt steering wheel in it, so let's change that. Let me show you what I got cooking. This is my new Zencarbonfibre steering wheel, paint match 12 o'clock stripe. Got the white stitching to match the shift knob. This steering wheel is going to look so much better in this car. This is the first carbon fiber I am putting on my car. First things first, before you do absolutely anything while installing a new steering wheel, disconnect the battery. Wait about 20 minutes after you disconnect before you even touch the airbag. Everything then will be perfectly fine. Airbag shouldn't go off. Here are some of the tools you will need to take this steering wheel off. You need a little flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, an extension, a 13/16 long socket, an Allen key. This is a number 3. This is to pop the airbag out. T30 Torx, T25, and a T20, and you should be good. Both sides of the steering wheel will have a very tiny hole. This is what your Allen key is for. You want to stick it in the hole, point up and back, and that should pop out the airbag. Both sides, by the way. Now this is what it looks like when you pop those tabs with the Allen key. The airbag just kind of pops out like that. So now you're going to want to get your flathead and yeet the top of these tabs off, and then that'll be disconnected. Then we can start taking some screws out. These little monster looking things are the tabs that I just popped out of here. So now this should just pull off like a normal connector would pull off. Well, these button control panels are ridiculously easy to remove. It's held on by one T20 screw, each side obviously. And then the wires, it's just one little push pin, and then you just, or push connector, and you just slide it right out. Very easy. I now disconnected this harness right here. It was just kind of sitting with a little clip, nice and neat, tucked away in there. Again, very easy to take out that connector. Just push down here and slide out. Now I just took my bolt off, so this wheel comes right out. You just gotta fish the wires through there. There we go. That's the old boring circle wheel. All right, we are now in the sun to change all of this over, make it nice and easy for you guys to see. I have a couple of components over here. Let's take some more bolts out, transfer everything from there into here. Go to the back of your steering wheel, take these two T20s off before you do anything inside of it. After those T20 screws, it's just these 3 T30s and it will pop right out. The wiring is kind of attached to this back thing just by little plastic tabs, so they like to stay together. Throw her in here. This goes behind that metal, and this metal goes in front of that metal. We got the 2 back T20s and the 3 front T30s in. It's all looking good. The little wires are all tucked away right where they need to be. I was being very delicate. So now we can throw our button controls back on here. So all you gotta do is click the connectors in and then screw them down. And there we go. The button panels are now installed. So let's put the wheel back, connect the connectors, throw the airbag on, and voila. Make sure your wheel's torqued down to 27 foot-pounds. Do not lose these little yellow connectors. Just like that. Now we can snap this back in. Wow. She's fully in. That looks insane. Way better. Wow, let's take it out in the sun. Battery is now reconnected, so I'm gonna give you a cold start. We're gonna test the horn, test the steering wheel buttons. Hopefully the airbag doesn't go off. And then I'm gonna take the car, hopefully somewhere where the sun is shining through the windshield. You see the nice purple stripe and the carbon fiber glisten. So let's check it out. Car is running. The white shift knob matches the white stitching real good. The color match, 12 o'clock stripe, matches the paint perfectly. Carbon fiber looks amazing. I love the shape of the new wheel. Everything is just so much better. It feels good when you're driving it. I took it for a little spin. Wow.